We talk about partial, partial differentiation, and we actually look at the meaning of what is a partial differentiation, and we say that partial differentiation is a process of solving an expression with the respect to a variable at the moment, ignoring other one. Probably if you have an expression, maybe you have y is equals to 3x plus 2y. How are you going to solve this under partial differentiation? What you are going to actually do is that the formula of partial differentiation is given as delta x all over delta y. Are you getting me? Or change in x all over change in y. Both of them work in the same pari passu depending on which one you want to use and solve the equation. So now for you to solve this now, we have the expression from the word partial derivative that y equals to 3x plus 2y. So how are you going to do it now? They say you should solve it with respect to x. So now, solving this with respect to x, what you're actually going to do is that you don't have anything to do with 2y because there's no x variable attached to what? The 2. So what you are going to now do is that you are going to set 3x, which is your bone of contention. Now you use the formula of power which is given as what? Mx n minus 1 to solve. So when you use and solve now, remember, from differentiation now, you're going to have now, this place that is here is an invisible one. So you're going to be 1 times 3 times x, 1 minus 1 from the formula. So if you do 1 times, it's going to give you 3. And now you do 1 minus 1 is going to give you what? 0. So now you're going to now have that x raised to power what? 0. And from the law of indices that we have that any number raised to power 0 is actually what? 1. So now if you do 3 times 1, it's going to give you what? 3. So that is how to solve partial differentiation. Meanwhile, ignore what? 2y. So if we ask also to solve for 2y, can you try it with the formula? Thank you.